Having acid reflux problems. Follow these tips for relief. You have to take control of your life. There is no one out there who can help you if you can't help yourself. This means you have to become educated on your condition and how to make it tolerable. Start with this video and all of its tips on controlling acid reflux. Don't overeat. Only eat until you feel sated, your stomach stops growling and ends your hunger discomfort. If you become hungry again shortly after eating, drink a glass of water instead of having a snack. When you eat too much, your stomach has trouble digesting and you may find acid reflux rears its ugly head. Fat around your stomach doesn't just put you at increased risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease and stroke, it also causes you to be more likely to develop acid reflux or will worsen symptoms if you are already a sufferer. Lose weight by exercising moderately and eating low-fat, low-acid foods. Sometimes, there is nothing that can be done to prevent acid reflux disease. This is why you need to learn of what you can do when an attack occurs. Try drinking cold milk or eating some cracker or bread. These remedies help by reducing the amount of acid that comes up through the esophagus. It is possible for you to choke in your sleep. This happens when stomach acid makes its way up into your throat. If you experience a bitter taste in your mouth, you may need acid-suppressing medicine. Speak with your doctor about the problems to get the best advice on how to proceed. Now that you have this knowledge, you must use it. You have to start changing your lifestyle to help you cope with your condition. You need to take life by the reins and guide it where you want it to go. What you must do most of all is start the changes today. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.